This is the sound that has never been explained. In 1997, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, detected a strange noise in the depths of the ocean. They called it the bloop, and it was so loud that it could be heard all the way across the world. To this day, we don't know what makes the bloop sound. What we do know is that it was recorded in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Mexico, and it was louder than any whale song ever recorded. Some people believe that the bloop is the sound of the ocean itself, like a whale of a different dimension. Others believe it's the sound of a ship's sonar. But there are also those who believe that the bloop is the sound of something alive, something huge and mysterious lurking in the depths of our oceans. We may never know what the bloop really is, but one thing is for sure, it's one of the scariest sounds ever recorded. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.